What I wish I knew at 13, how to block ads and speed up my internet on Android. Let's dive in. First up, let's set up custom DNS on your Android. 1. Open settings on your device. 1. Tap on network and internet or connections. 2. Select Wi-Fi. 1. Tap on your Wi-Fi network and choose Modify Network or Advanced Settings. 1. Switch IP settings from DHCP to static. 1. Enter 8.8.8.8 in DNS1 and 8.8.4.4 in DNS2 for Google DNS. 2. Hit save. Boom! Custom DNS is set. Now let's block those pesky ads. 1. Head to the Google Play Store and download an ad blocker like AdGuard, Blockada, or DNS66. 1. Open the app and follow the easy setup instructions. 2. Activate the ad blocker. And you're done. Enjoy an ad-free, faster browsing experience. By setting up custom DNS and using an ad blocking app, you've just leveled up your Android game. Happy browsing.